VEVOR Masticating Juicer. It comes in a 150 watt machine. This is a 200 watt machine and a vertical. Check online for further details about the colors this machine also comes in. It is very easy to assemble. You have your 2 cups, the one to collect the juice, and the pulp. You have a measuring cup. You simply place on the middle part. You take the top and you basically twist it on, and the locking mechanism is towards the back over here. It locks in and we are connected. You have a cleaning brush, and it is a 110 volt VAC with an instruction guide included about your juicer. Your juice spout is 800 milliliters. Your pulp spout is 600 milliliters. The maximum strip size for the top, 5 times 2 centimeters, and the maximum chunk size is 3 by 3 centimeters. Safety lock to secure the extractor, a reverse switch, and a plunger that you push in your chunks and strips. Make some juices. We're going to cut pieces up at 2.5 inches in size and place it into the top, and we can lift it over and spill things over, and we are going to simply take this thing apart and easily clean it like so. Just take a nice simple cloth, clean it up, and off you go. So we're going to go to the kitchen and show you how to make some juice. As kitchen counters, the machine measures 17.4 inches. It sits underneath nice and comfortable, and when we're ready to use our machine, we bring it on out. We set up our cups, and we get our fruits that we want to measure and make our juices. We can cut up our strawberries as they will fit through the hole. If they are too big to fit through the hole, we can always tilt around. We simply can put in the strawberries cut up, or as long as they fit through the area, they will go in. And if I need to push down, I have a plunger that will push down. I had putting in blueberries. Little oranges. In the back of the machine, we'll turn it around so you can see the switch. We're going to hit the switch and turn it on. In the up position, allow the machine to do its job. We're going to lift up the pulp area and the juice comes out. That'll clear the machine and let go. It'll clear and then go forward again for more juice. We're all done. We're going to clean the machine up, bringing it to the sink. It comes apart very simple. Just lift and throw away. Rinse, wash, ready for the next one. Pull out the center tab and clean out. A brush is given so you can get in there, and a little tip here so you can get the excess out into the crevices. Placing on, putting on the extractor piece by pushing down, and the top, and placing away for the next day. Making juices, ices, fresh sorbet, and so forth, or just fresh juice as here. I hope you enjoy your juice machine, 200 watt, to make your juices in the morning, afternoons, or evenings for a refreshing drink. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.